Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you some quick tips and tricks for uploading your answers for your AP exams. So to take your photo, you can click on the camera app on your phone and you would take a photo like this. And then the next thing you'd want to do is share it via AirDrop to your laptop. And that's going to share the file to your laptop. Over here. Now it's taking a bit, but yeah. Now there's a problem right there. Let's explore it. So you can click on attach response if you want and attach photos. So if you want to attach a photo and it takes you to your downloads, don't want to go to document, you want to go to downloads. The problem is you can't attach that file. So this is the same file. You cannot attach that file. It's because it is a .HEIC file, and that's a high efficiency file, so you cannot attach that. And if you try and do that on your AP, you're going to run into a problem. So what you actually want to do is go into your settings, click on search for camera, click on that, and click on formats, and change it from high efficiency to most compatible. And so that's going to make it much easier. So now that's going to make it a JPEG image, and now let's try and taking another photo. That's photo number 2. Let's share that to your phone. AirDrop does take a while, but then again, now you see it's JPEG. So you can click on attach photo, and then here is the sample answer. Choose and submit. Now AirDrop is pretty fast, but Continuity Camera, which is also by Apple, offers a much faster experience, which is really important given that you only have 5 minutes to upload your answers, and it might be a stressful time for a lot of people. So how you want to use it is you want to 2-finger click on your trackpad and then click on import from iPhone, and then you can take a photo directly. And as you can see on the iPhone's camera, the camera opens up directly. You can zoom in, take a photo, that's your sample answer, and then use the photo. And as you can see, it's directly saved onto your desktop as a JPEG. Now the time difference isn't that much, but given that there is a lot of stress and pressure going on in the 5 minutes you have to upload an answer, this is a much faster method than using AirDrop or emailing a file to yourself. So I'd highly recommend using this. So now you can see, let's attach the response over here. You can attach photos. Attach a photo. Let's go to the desktop this time and click on that which we just got. Now that's attached and we can hit submit. That's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and hopefully it reduces some stress for your exams.